session, we shall cover the process flow of Invert Queue module. Before getting into the flow, let us check the overview of the module. So, once application submitted by the branch queue, application will move to Invert Queue. Invert Checker has to also check personal details, contact details, income tab entry details, and check if DMS contains the scanned copy of all the required documents. If all required documents are okay, the application will send to ADE team for further processing. If there is any discrepancy in the documents, the application will send back to branch queue or slate for necessary changes. Reasons for discrepancy comments can be added by the Invert officer in comment section. Go to home page. Under workflow, click on Team Queue. Note that Team Queue is accessible only to the Invert Checker who has respective branch rights. All the applications submitted by branch queue are displayed here. Select respective application and click on Move to My Queue. Once clicked on Move to My Queue, the user can work on that application. If more than one application or bulk in personal queue, then user has to go back to the dashboard and click on personal queue, and the user can start working on respective application. Click on the name of the customer. As mentioned earlier, the objective of Invert Queue is to validate the documents and entries uploaded by the business executive. Firstly, click on the application. Then, click on Personal, Contact Info, Bank Details, RTR, Financial Details respectively to check all uploaded documents. Here, check all the details entered by the business executive. Next, click on the Workflow tab. Click Document Checklist for Invert link. Document details entered by the business executive is displayed. The page is divided into subsections, namely statutory document, mandatory documents, optional documents, other documents. Note that the page is visible in query mode, that is, the page is not editable. Only remarks can be entered. The Invert officer has to click on View to check the document uploaded. There is a zoom option available to clearly check the document. Below are the checkpoints while checking the documents. Check all the documents are rightly uploaded as per the selected drop-down. For example, PAN card is uploaded in PAN card section. If not, the application will be sent back. All the uploaded images must be clear. In case if it is not, then it will be sent back. Check if all the documents are uploaded as per the selected scheme. If all the required documents are uploaded, then go to the decision field. Select Proceed for further processing of application. On clicking Close Task, a list of scheme-related document categories or document type that are not collected from the customer is displayed. This cross-checks if the BE has missed out any documentation. In the decision field, select Send Back to Branch. Enter comment. Then in Do you want to proceed drop-down, select Yes or No. Click on Close Task. A confirmation message will appear stating that the task has been closed and the application will be moved to the next queue. In case of any discrepancy, select to send back to branch option from drop-down list and click on the Close Task. An update is sent to the business executive about the rectification of documents. Post the rectification, the task is forwarded to the Invert queue for review. Note that Invert officer can never reject the task. It is only sent back.